We are at Miscou Point, and this is Miscou Point Lighthouse in northeastern New Brunswick. This lighthouse is the oldest lighthouse in the Maritimes, being 163 years old. Withstood time very well. And off in the distance is the foghorn. And this was probably residence house for the lantern lighters. And that basically just looks like a barn that they would have used. They're now stores, but because it's the end of the season, they're all closed. And so is this one, closed. It's a shame. But the lady inside said that this time of the year there are very few people here, not worth it for the stores to stay open. And we have some seagulls out there. It's pretty windy out here. I'm trying the mic attached to the camera with cotton balls on it to see if that takes away some of the noise of the wind. But it probably also muffles out the sound of the waves on the beach.